Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course 2 grammar, intro to weak verbs with page 1 pointer A. You remember pointer A? Pointer A. Yes. Right. This one is pointer A. Okay. Did you write the full table of the verbs that you studied in this in the lesson? So did you try last time, I mean any time to just write down the table of huwa, hum, anta, antum, and yaf'ala, yaf'alu, if'al, la taf'al? Did you try any time? Choose an option.
Not yet. Next.
No.
Next.
Yes, next time, inshallah.
Next time.
Inshallah. So now, pointer lesson, grammar lessons. Like 1A, grammar with 1A. 1B, grammar with 1B. 1A pointer lesson will be 1A with grammar with 1A. And 1B pointer lesson 1B will be grammar with 1B. Like the usual, the course, the first course we did, that we were doing first lesson. I mean any lesson from the Quran, and in the grammar any lesson of GPI of grammar. No. So with every lesson there is grammar lesson also, and with A there is A, with B there is B. Right. Every line of the Quran 9 words approx. Every line of the Quran 9 words approx. 3 is in every line, and 3 fi'l, 2 harf, and 1 is fi'l harf. Okay? I mean, yes. Like 3, 9, approximately 9. How many words in every line of the Quran? 14 words, 9 words, 5 words, 12 words. Choose the option fast. We discussed now. In every line there are. See one more time. Every line of the Quran 9 words approx. You know it now? Now yes. Choose an option. A, B, C, B.
It's B.
That's B. Good, mashallah. Proof. Now you can look. See. Is. Okay.
Is.
And fi'l. Huda al-muflihun, like kafaru and andartahum am lam tundirhum. Like al in the start and waw noon, ya noon, alif ta at the end. That makes sense. That is. Okay. Dhammatain, fathatain, kasratain, or al at the end, or un in at the end, or al in the beginning. Al in the beginning. Okay. Now fi'l. These include the nouns of the verb table. I mean fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l included here because we learn them through fi'l table. Harf. If you learn 10 new harf after salah course, you can reach 95% of the huruf in the Quran. 95%. 95%. Subhanallah. Yellow, yellow, yellow are the proof. So, harf yellow is this is gray or blue. Okay, it doesn't matter what is it. So, the color we can see. And fi'al. MashaAllah, covered everything. What do you say?
The yellow, blue, red.
Yes. How many nouns in every line of the Quran on the average? Nouns. 8, 6, 3, 10.
It's 3.
Choose it. Oh, very good, mashallah. 3 to 4 times. Very good. And how many verbs in every line of the Quran on the average? 3791. There is A, B, C, D.
3 times.
3 times, perfect answer. Good, mashallah. How many particles in every line of Quran on the average? 8, 2 to 3, 6 times, 9 times, 8 times. Choose anyone.
C.
That is C? No, they are asking about the particles in every line, not the whole words.
So the particle is A.
Yes, huruf, 2 to 3. So huruf, like la, ma, do not change. And al, huruf, learn the plurals noun. Main challenge, verb. Forms, madi, mudari, amr, because they occur in madi, mudari, amr. They occur in forms, different forms. Like, do it with me. Do the TPI. Do the TPI with me. Elbow level first. Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Yes, low level. Some low level. Fa'ala, he did.
Fa'ala, he did.
The right side. Fa'alu, they did.
Fa'alu, they did.
Fa'alta, you did.
Fa'alta, you did.
Fa'altu, I did.
Fa'altu, I did.
Fa'altum, you all did.
Fa'altu, you all did.
Fa'alna, we did.
Fa'alna, we did.
Yaf'alu, he does.
Yaf'alu, he does.
Yaf'aluna, they do.
Yaf'aluna, they do.
Af'alu, I do. Sorry, taf'alu, you do. Taf'alu, you do.
Taf'alu, you do.
Af'alu, I do.
Af'alu, I do.
Taf'aluna, you all do.
Taf'aluna, you all do.
Naf'alu, we do.
Naf'alu, we do.
If'al, if'al.
If'al, do.
Do.
If'al, do.
If'alu.
If'alu.
Do.
Do your all.
Yeah, do. You all. Like you all do. La taf'al, don't do.
La taf'alu, don't do.
La taf'alu, don't do.
La taf'alu, don't do.
Fa'il.
Fa'il.
Doer.
Do.
Maf'ul.
Maf'ul.
The one who is affected.
The one who affected.
The one who is affected.
The one who is affected.
Fi'l, to do, act of doing. Fi'l.
Fail, to do, act of doing.
Perfect. Fi'l, types of fi'l. In Salah course, we learn 3 letters verbs like fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. These are 4 patterns.
Yes.
Almost verbs are made up of 3 letters, and 4 patterns are here: fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. Madi patterns. So before we move ahead, weak letters. Let's learn weak letters. Weak letters means, oh, someone is laying down on the bed and he is not well. He's feeling unwell, and he just says, like, he makes sound. Sometimes Someone feels pain and he does. He makes a sound. If like someone hurt,
Yes.
and if like back pain, headache sometime, and some injury time, we do it. Ooh. So this is waw, ya, alif. Waw, ya, alif. These are the weak letters. These are the weak letters. Because when you read it, when you read these letters and you sound it, so the sound is similar to a, e, u. So why? Because a weak or a sick person makes similar sounds when in pain. A, e, a. If we have a weak letter in a fi'l, like wahaba, wa, wahaba,
wahaba,
wa'ada,
wa'ada,
qala,
qala.
Weak verbs. These are three words, and these are verbs. Fi'l madhi, wahaba, wa'ada, qala. Now let me know which letter is weak in these three.
Wahaba.
Which one is weak? Wow, ha or ba?
Ha.
Wow, okay. And wa'ada? Which one is weak? That is also wow.
Yes.
Because weak letters are three. Alif, waw, ya. Alif, waw, ya.
Yes.
And in qala, which one is weak?
Qala.
First one, second or third one?
First one.
No, Qaf is not weak letter. Qaf is a strong letter. Alif is weak.
La.
These are the weak letters. Remember, these are the weak letters.
Okay, well.
Alif, ya, waw, alif, ya, waw, alif, ya, waw. So, waw,
Yeah.
waw, alif. If
Yeah,
someone hand is, yes?
Wah.
If someone hand is weak person. Similar if one of three letters is weak verb. Rest are sound verbs. Now you got it, I think. Like
yes.
If some verb has a weak letter, so that is weak. Like a person, his hand is weak, his leg is weak, so he's a weak person. Three letter verbs. Fataha, sound. Fataha, say. Fataha.
Fataha.
Nasara.
Nasara.
Daraba.
Daraba.
Sami'a.
Samia.
Now weak. Wahaba.
Wahaba.
Wa'ada.
Wa'ada.
Qala.
Qala.
Zada.
Zada.
So fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. And for weak. Wahaba, wa'ada, qala, zada. 9,000 times weak letters, weak verbs in Quran, approximately 9,000 sounds, 9,000 weeks. In every line, one sound verb and one weak verb, approximately. One weak verb in every line. So you should be careful about. Sound verbs are fataha, nasara, wa'ada, qala. Choose. You have just 3 seconds. Select more than one. Select more than one. You have to choose like A, B, C, D, A, C, B, D, C. Sound verbs, sound verbs.
For sound word.
Which they do not have weak letters. They do not have weak letters. Sound means they do not have weak letters. And weak verbs, like they have weak letters. Just give me the answer.
B.
Okay, B. Good answer. And one more.
C.
Wrong. A and B is correct.
Oh.
Because
okay.
Wa'ada, in Wa'ada, Waw and Qala, Alif, there are weak letters. Now weak verbs is select more than one. Weak verb is?
Weak word. A.
Okay, A. Good. Good answer. Yes?
B.
B or C?
Kana. B. Yes, C.
C, that is kana. C. Good. Answer. So ikhtalafa means one more type. One more type. Ikhtalafa. Ikhtalafa, he differed. Ikhtalafa, he differed. Extra letters. Alif and ta. Alif and ta. Hamza and ta are the extra letters. And istaghfara, he asked for forgiveness. Istaghfara, he asked for forgiveness. You remember ask forgiveness. Ask for forgiveness of him. Wastaghfir innahu kana tawwaba. Surah An-Nasr we have learned. So Hamza and ta are extra letters. We will learn them later, inshallah. It will be later on. So what is mazid fi? What is mazid fi? The literal words, verbs, particles, verbs with extra letters. Mazid fi, mazid fi.
Like this.
Yes, the verbs have extra letters. That is called mazid fi, mazid fi. Now let me know what is mazid fi. A, B, C, B.
D.
MashaAllah. Verbs with extra letter. And examples of mazid fi are select more than one. This one, this one, this one, this one. Start choosing. A, B, C, D. Yes?
Yeah. D.
There is B, C.
Yes.
There is C. There is D.
Yeah, B, C.
Good. C and B and B and C. Correct answer. MashaAllah. So weak verbs, three letter weak verbs on one in every line. One in every line. In this start, weak letters. Wahaba, wow, wa, 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 wa. Wahaba. Wa'ada, wow is the weak. Wow is the weak. In the start, wa'ada, wa'ada. In the middle, qala, qala, alif is weak. And zada, alif is weak. Zada, alif is weak. In the end, da'a, da'a, alif is weak. Okay, da'a, alif is weak. Hada, ya is weak letter. You got it? Alif, wa, ya. There are three weak letters. Alif, wa, ya. We will learn these verbs in detail, inshallah. Very much similar to fa'ala table with little change. Remember, such verbs occur 9,000 times. One per line, one in a line. Wahaba, wa'ada, da'a, zada, hada. Wahaba, like now. We will just learn them, and we have to remember these styles. And now just like fataha, nasara. Wahaba means he gave. Wahaba, he gave.
He gave.
Say he gave. Pass, he gave. Wa'ada, he promised.
Wa'ada, he promised.
Qala, he said.
Qala, he said.
Zada, he increased.
Jada, he increased.
Da'a, he prayed.
Da'a, he prayed.
Hada, he guided.
Hada, he guided.
MashaAllah. You remember 4 style of verbs. Fataha, yaftahu, nasara, yansuru, daraba, yadribu, sami'a, yasma'u. If you open the Quran, Allah will help you. Otherwise, you will be hit. Therefore, listen.
Naam.
Okay. So now let's see here. Allah will give, it is a promise. Allah will give, it is a promise. So wahaba, he gave. And wa'ada, he promised. Allah will give, it is a promise. In fact, he said he will give more. In fact, he said he will give more. Qala, he said. Zada, he increased. Okay? In fact, he said he will give more. Like Qala, he said. Zada, he increased. And therefore pray to him for guidance. Therefore pray to him for guidance. Da'a, he prayed. Hada, he guided. So Allah will give, it is a promise. In fact, he said he will give more. Therefore, pray to him for guidance. So examples of verbs with repeated letters. Select more than one. Example of verbs with repeated letters. You have 3 times and it starts now. 1, 2.
B.
The last second is okay. B. One more. B
C.
and C. Okay. Is there anyone else? Time ended. This is the correct answer. Because you remember, I think we discussed a letter has fatha. So sorry, a letter has shadda on it. That is read 2 times. 2 times. First time with the before one letter, and one time, I mean second time itself. Like dad fatha lam shadda bal lam fatha la bal la. So lam is repeated 2 times. In radda, dal is repeated 2 times. In wadda, dal is repeated 2 times because it has, they has shadda. They have shadda on themselves. So, mashallah, be a teacher and pray. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ameen ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.